AI video just leveled up, and I'm not exaggerating. In this video, I'm going to show you the platform where you can access Seedance 2.5, generate up to 30 seconds of video from a single prompt, and get results so clean you'd swear it wasn't AI. We're talking zero morphing, zero distortion, multiple dialogue support, and image generation with tools like Nano Banana and Seedream 5 Pro all in one place. If you've been looking for the easiest way to try the newest AI models before everyone else, stick around, because I'm about to walk you through exactly how it works. So this right here is the AI tool that I'm going to be covering for you guys in this video. Well, as you can see from the get-go, the interface looks really clean, and the videos you're able to generate with this are super high quality. And do stick with me, because I'll be showing you how you can access and try out Seedance 2.5 right here on this platform. So first thing you want to do is hover over AI video, and you should see a drop-down that covers lots and lots of amazing models, such as the all-new Seedance 2.5 that just launched some days ago, VO3, and many more. Now, of course, the AI model we're going to be trying out is Seedance 2.5. So all you have to do is click right here on it, and you should be loaded over to this interface. Now, you can see that you can use the text-to-video model, as well as the reference generation with the Seedance 2.5 model selected right here. And as you can see, what's great about this is that you can actually generate as long as 30 seconds of AI video. And that's honestly the best feature that came with this all-new Seedance 2.5. In a couple of seconds, we're going to be covering that, but before we try out text-to-video, let's try out using the reference generation. So in order to use this, all you have to do is click right here and upload an image of your choice. For example, I have this image right here of a man drinking coffee. Do keep in mind that this can be any image of your choice. Then, all you have to do is type in a simple prompt. For example, I can say, he sips his coffee and puts the cup down, just like this. Once you have your prompt, do make sure that you have the Seedance 2.5 model selected, and you can choose the aspect ratio. For this, I'm going to be going with 9:16, which matches the image aspect ratio, and then you can choose the resolution. For this, I'm going to take it to 720p. And do keep in mind that you can generate as long as 30-second videos, but I'm going to be saving that for the text-to-video model. For this, I'm going to be testing this out with just 15 seconds of AI video, which is previously what we had with Seedance 2.5. Now, all you have left to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our video for us using the all-new Seedance 2.5 model. I'm really hyped up for this because this is actually one of the first times that I'm actually generating using the all-new model, so I really hope this does great. Okay, in no time, our video is done generating. Now do keep in mind that this is the image-to-video model, and we'll be testing out the text-to-video model very soon. So now, let's take a look at what it generated for us. And honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion, and the quality we get with this is just outstanding. Honestly, I wouldn't even be able to tell this was AI if I didn't generate it myself. Now what's best is that you can click right here and download it straight onto your device. And now that we've seen how well the image to video can perform, let's head over to the text to video model and test it out. All you want to do is clear out your prompt just like this, and then you can type in a prompt of your choice. Well, I have this prompt right here that I can just paste in just like this. And once again, make sure the model is set on Seedance 2.5, and you can see that we can take this all the way up to 30 seconds of AI video, which I will do so. Now all you have left to do is to click on Generate. Now this is just crazy because we're trying to generate a 30-second video using Seedance 2.5, and I'm really intrigued to see how well this will perform because this is actually the first of its kind to generate a 30-second AI video just using one prompt, and our video is currently generating. One thing about the Seedance 2.5 model is that I noticed it doesn't take much time to generate. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our video for us. Okay, in no time, our video is done generating. Let's play this and take a look.
I told you I wasn't coming back.
Then why are you still here?
And honestly, this was just great. The quality of the whole thing felt really, really great. It didn't look like any cheap AI generation. And this is the multiple dialogue feature that we get with Seedance 2.5. And it's just great. No more weird AI voices or low quality videos, because with this platform, you can use Seedance 2.5 for your generations. And they as well have some image generation models like ChatGPT Image 2, Nano Banana, and Seedream 5 Pro, which we can test out. For example, let's go with Seedream 5 Pro just like this. And you can use the text-to-image feature as well as the image-to-image feature, but for this, I'm going to test out the text-to-image. And I can type in a simple prompt of my choice, like I can say, realistic image of a dog playing in the street, just like this. And you can choose the aspect ratio, which I'll go with 1:1 for the resolution. You can take this to 2K. And what's great about this is that you can actually choose the output format. I'm just gonna leave it as is and click on generate. And our image is currently being generated, so just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our image for us. And in no time, it's done generating. And it did a really, really great job with this. As you can see, dog is playing in motion, there's no weird glitches or anything, and this is just perfect. Now, the name of this AI tools is this right here, and the link to it will be in the description below. Do make sure to check it out.